So here we are on Tuesday afternoon at 2:30. What's the date? The 21st of May 2013. The guys came yesterday morning at 8 o'clock and started to take the trees down, and they've finished today. So they've taken a day and a half roundabout to take all those trees down and fix up the fence, and they've only just left, and that's where the smoke is coming from, is all that's left of all those trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 8 trees. So they've done a fantastic job, and I'm really happy. It's looking fab.